Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now guys, share ko po sa inyo ang ating mga United States. Ayan po, proof set guys. At kung bago lang po kayo sa aking channel, don't forget to like and subscribe po. Ayan guys, 1985 proof set. Ayan, thank you so much to our brother who donate this coin, this proof set to me. Ayan, this is a very big help. Ayan, thank you. This is 1985 proof set guys. Ayan guys, sa mga gustong mag-share, message lang po ako kung paano nyo ako mapapadala. Just email me. And this is 1986. Ayan, 1983 sana ihanap ko I'm looking for the year 1983 because that was my birth year. Ayan, this is the 1986 proof set. And please, I have a question to all the numismatic or expert in coins because I see something different about the other proof set. This is the 1987 proof set. 1987. Ayan, 1987. Right now, my channel is demonetized but you can send me a donation through PayPal. Anyone who want to send me gift or donation, you can send it through PayPal. This is my question, the 1988 proof set. Why this happen like this? I think because of the temperature, the way he keep his coin. I think nagmoist tapos naging ganyan because hindi naman to silver. This is a composition of copper nickel, right? Copper nickel. Copper nickel. Then when you keep this in a heat area, it should be in a room temp. Opo, nagmo-moist, so nasisira yung coin. I'm not sure, but correct me if I'm wrong. Now, this is the 1989 proof set. 1989 proof set. Ayan guys, United States Mint proof coin set 1989. Ayan, 1989. Wow. I'm looking for proof set year 1980 below. Anyone. And guys, I'm also doing helping other channel. If you need help, just message me. I can help you with your views and subscriber. Ayan guys. The next is 1990. 1990 proof set. This is the back of the outer box. This is in a good condition. Very good condition. Maybe mint condition. Maybe. I'm not sure. This is the 1990 proof set. 1990 proof set. United States, Mint proof coin set. Specification, denomination, cent, nickel, dime, quarter, half dollar. This is the 1990. Yeah. Back of the 1990 proof set with the logo. Beautiful set. I don't know what is the value, any idea how much is the value per proof? Maybe $7, $8 or $10. I don't know. But the shipping, shipping expensive. 1991 proof set. 1991. This is the back, the outer box. 1991 proof set. And I also put my PayPal account in my description. So anyone who want to give a donation, very welcome. And every donation you give, I will help you in your channel also. 1991 proof set. For further information, contact United States, Washington, D.C. to preserve the beauty of your proof coin set. To preserve the beauty of your proof coin set, it should be stored in a cool, dry place. Cool, dry place pala, Hindi pwede sa heat. Okay. Kasi pag mainit, nagmo-moist. 1993. Ayan, 1993. Yup. Uy, it's stuck. See, this is the 1993 proof set. Beautiful coin. Ayan. With luster. Beautiful coin. United States. And last, the 1971. 1971 United States proof set. Oh, someone connecting it at my CCTV. 1971, no? I'm looking for proof set like this, no? 1980 below. See? Mm, 1971. I'm not sure if 1971 is a silver or no. Let me check in the Google. 1971 half dollar. Dollar de Mista. Copper nickel also, no? 1971 is a copper nickel. Copper nickel. Copper nickel. Mint. S. S means United States, San Francisco. P is Philadelphia, D is for Denver. Ayan, this is the 1971 proof set. So 1971, 93, 90, 91, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, and 71. Thank you so much. And please, I want to promote my friend YouTube channel, BH Custom. No, don't forget to like and subscribe. No, visit his channel. No, a good channel. I will show you the.
So before it wouldn't even turn on.
This is my friend YouTube channel, BH Custom, 6,600 subscriber. No? Let's support him. Road to 7,000, guys. Road to 7,000. To all my followers and friends, please support BH Custom. B.H.Custom. Hey, I'm Brad. No? Hey, I'm Brad, and I do homemade custom silver pouring and jewelry. I do this as a hobby, not for a living. Yan. Alright. So guys, now don't forget to help my friend. Ayan. 2,700 views. Let's help him to reach 300,000 views and 7,000 subscribers. Ayan. Thank you guys. Hope to to upload more videos like this, no, unboxing gift from my friends, YouTube friends and numismatic friends here in the Philippines and in abroad. Ayan. Thank you so much everyone and God bless. Bye-bye.